Just want to let you guys know I am doing a brown sugar shaken espresso inside of a JIF bar. Did I say JIF bar? JIF jar. All right, brown sugar shaken espresso inside a JIF jar. Add a splash of creamer of your choice. Add some milk.
Some milk. Don't forget
Good.
the milk.
Add lots of ice.
Are you gonna drink it right out of there?
And if you have a sweet tooth like me, why not? Brown sugar, shaken espresso inside a JIF jar. Casey thinks I'm crazy, but I think the brown sugar shaken espresso in the JIF bar,
Peanut butter.
JIF jar adds some nice nuttiness.
Peanut butter in coffee is not it. It's not it.
She's nuts. See what I did there?